Hi friends, this is your tech expert Neil and you are watching howisolve.com. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unlock an Android smartphone. This video will be a general Android device unlocking guide which would apply to brands which sell unlocked devices and follow the general Android convention of locking the bootloader. In this category of devices, you will find all the Google devices, Google Nexus, Pixel. Also, there are some Android One phones, for example, my phone. This is a Xiaomi Mi A1. This device also follows the same pattern of bootloader unlocking. Before you plan to unlock your bootloader, there are several things that you should keep in mind. The number one thing is by doing this, you will be erasing the phone memory. So all the data that is present on your phone, that is any contact, anything, any file that you have saved, any app data, WhatsApp or anything for which you have not taken cloud backup, all that data will get erased. So your phone will become as it came when it was in the box. Apart from this, there's one more important thing that you should keep in mind. Most brands will not provide you warranty if you go to the store with an unlocked device, or you say if you have unlocked your device. So when you want to claim warranty, you'll have to again relock your phone. And the benefits of bootloader unlocking is, I think you might be knowing, that is why you are watching, but still I'll summarize them. By unlocking your bootloader, you can easily root your device. Apart from rooting, unlocking your bootloader also opens the doors for flashing custom ROMs. That is, if your device has got custom ROMs built specifically for it. And there are several devices in the market which do not support unlocking the bootloader. Like most of the phones released in the US with a carrier contract, like you buy a device which is linked to a particular carrier. It can be AT&T, Verizon or any other cellular network provider. So in those kind of devices, the bootloader is usually locked and that is permanent unless you pay for the unlocking of your device. So those kind of devices you cannot unlock. Apart from that, there are Samsung devices like this ancient device, that is a Samsung Galaxy S3. The Samsung devices do not come with a bootloader lock, but they do not follow the standard convention of bootloader. This will be a general bootloader unlocking guide. Some devices follow this kind of unlocking process, but they add one more step in which you have to provide an unlocking code which you can get from the OEM website by providing a serial number. So that extra step is added apart from the general step that I'll be showing you in this video. In this category, there are devices from Motorola, Xiaomi and several other devices. So for that also you'll have to follow a specific guide for your particular mobile model. The most genuine source for finding out the bootloader unlocking guide is XDA. You can Google search by typing the search term your mobile model number followed by XDA. So for example, for my device, this is Xiaomi Mi A1. So my search query will be Xiaomi Mi A1 bootloader unlocking XDA. So with that particular search string, you will get the results for your particular device, how you can unlock your bootloader. So now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's first look at what all things you will need. Apart from the phone which you will be unlocking, you will also need a data cable, USB data cable and a Windows computer. Apart from these hardware requirements, you will have to modify some settings in your Android device and you have to download some software packages in your desktop so that your mobile device is connected to your Android device. So let's first look at configuring your Android device. Okay friends, this is my Xiaomi Mi A1 phone, and the first thing you have to do is you have to enable developer mode. If you have already enabled that, you can skip this step. So to enable developer mode, you'll have to go to settings. So we'll go in settings, swipe down from the notifications tab once again, and over here you can see this cog icon. Click on that, and in settings you have to go down at the bottom in the system section over here, system, and in the about phone. Now this is an Android 9.0 device. For devices running on a higher Android version, the interface might be slightly different. So in the system option, you have to go in the about phone section over here and then scroll down and you will find this build number. Tap on this build number 5 times and that will enable developer mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's showing me that you do not need to do this because I'm already a developer. Because I've already done this step, that's why it's showing this message. In your case, it will show you the countdown. When you first tap on it, it will show 5, then it will go to 4, and then in the end you'll say now you are a developer. So once you have tapped on this 5 times, you can go back, and then in the system you'll see this in the advanced section. Go in advanced section, and in the advanced this option will become visible. This is the developer options. So click on developer options, and in this scroll down, and in debugging there will be mentioned USB debugging. You have to enable this by tapping on this. Enable this USB debugging. Once you have enabled USB debugging, now you can connect your phone to your Windows system. Before we do that, we have to install a couple of software in our Windows system. The link for that will be down in the video description. I have also got a detailed video of how you can enable ADB and fastboot on a Windows device. So you can follow that guide. I'll be posting the link for that video guide as an eye icon over here. You can check that out. So I'll assume that you have already downloaded and installed the software, that is ADB and fastboot. Now apart from this, one more change you have to make in your developer options. Scroll up, and in this you will find OEM unlocking. Make sure this is checked on. In my case, since I have already unlocked my device, it is checked on. This will allow you to unlock your bootloader, but we have to follow one more step in the command prompt in your computer. So by only clicking on this button, your device will not get unlocked. You have to also follow the commands which we'll be doing in our computer. Now we'll head to our computer. Okay friends, in our desktop, once you have installed ADB and fastboot, you can open command prompt. To open command prompt, go to start and type cmd, hit enter. Over here, type ADB devices and then hit enter. And once you have properly installed the drivers for your particular phone and the ADB software, you should be able to see this kind of prompt. The serial number will be different, but in the list of devices, you should see one device. That will be the device that you have connected for which you want to unlock the bootloader. So once you have got this device listed on ADB, now we will go in the fastboot mode. To go into the fastboot mode, type the command ADB space reboot bootloader and hit enter. Once you do this, your device will reboot in the fastboot mode. In the fastboot mode, your device will be listed not by ADB command but by the fastboot command. So now type in fastboot and then space devices, and here you go. This means that my device has been successfully connected in the fastboot mode. In some cases, your device might not get detected in the fastboot mode. In those cases, the problem is in the drivers that are installed on your Windows system. You'll have to go in the device manager to troubleshoot the drivers for your phone in the fastboot mode. Now to unlock your bootloader, simply type this command fastboot space flashing unlock and hit enter. You can see in my case it is already unlocked, so it says device already unlocked. In your case, this command will unlock your phone, and as soon as you type this command, your device will get erased completely. So before typing this command, make sure you have taken proper backup of your data on your phone. For newer phone models, this command will work, but you've got an older phone that is older than 2015, you'll have to type fastboot OEM unlock and hit enter. So this command works for older devices, but for most newer phones, that is fastboot flashing unlock will work. After typing this command, your device bootloader should be unlocked, and you can now root your phone, or you can install custom ROM, or even you can install TWRP or any other custom recovery ROMs. So now to reboot your phone into the normal mode, simply type fastboot reboot and your phone should now reboot into system. I hope friends you like this video. If yes, smack that like button. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel howasolved.com. We'll be posting more informative technology guides relating to Android, bootloader unlocking and rooting the device. Stay tuned and keep watching our YouTube channel howasolved.com. Thanks for watching friends. See you later. Bye bye.